Today we're going to be looking at the application portion of our two-part article on prehab and mobility training for the long haul. In today's article and today's videos, you're going to see the practical application of a few exercises that you can add to your training regimen. Hi, I'm here with Chad Wesley-Smith, #1 ranked powerlifter in America, currently 3rd in the world. He's going to help us demonstrate the 4 exercises that you can utilize in your rehabilitation or mobility training. The exercise that we're going to demonstrate here for scapular stabilization is known as the Brugger's exercise. So first off, you want to be able to execute the movement properly. So we're going to have Chad demonstrate here. The main purpose of scapular stabilization is that you're bringing your scapulas to the midline and depressed. Okay, you can achieve that by externally rotating your humerus and then squeezing with your lower mid traps and rhomboids. So in your prehab and mobility training, once you've utilized the motion properly, you can now use mini bands from Elite FTS to add some resistance to the movement. Okay, so it's the exact same movement Chad's going to perform here. So he's retracting his scapula to the midline and depressing.
So maybe you can do the 10.
The main thing with this exercise is you want to completely relax the upper traps. And don't be fooled by Chad's traps here. Okay, so these are actually relaxing here, and he's flowing with his lower mid trap. This next exercise that Chad's going to help us demonstrate is particularly for posterior hip capsule tightness. So what we're doing here is we're using a medium-sized band from Elite FTS to provide the tractioning on the joint. Right? Then Chad's going to put his femoral acetabular joint into an internally rotated position and then flex his knee to his chest. So this motion here is just achieving a tractioning component to the joint as it goes into this flexion range of motion, which will help free up any posterior capsule hip tightness. Next exercise is for ankle dorsiflexion. The purpose here is to mobilize the ankle mortise joint between the tibia, fibula, and the talus. A lot of times we can get restrictions that limit dorsiflexion. So we have Chad here. He's going to be doing a lunge motion. Again, he has a mini band from Elite FTS. Okay, and so that's providing some anterior to posterior translation on his talus as he lunges his knee over his foot. As you're doing this exercise, I want to attempt to keep the heel down. Make sure the mini band is below both malleoli on each side. And just going through a lunge motion. The next exercise Chad's going to be helping us show here should be a staple on every performance training regimen. It's to achieve lumbar pelvic neutral and to be able to perform motions out of that. So the first thing you want it to be able to do is achieve that lumbar pelvic neutral by doing a posterior pelvic tilt. So most of us, when we lie flat on the ground, we have a slight arch to our back. So we want to go ahead and do a posterior tilt. We're tightening our core area through our abdominal wall and flattening our back to the ground. Chad's really good at achieving this, so we can move on to the next level exercise where we're in a lumbo-pelvic neutral position performing a hip hinge, which is a very important motion to have. Okay, so he's achieving this by doing a supine non-load-bearing glute bridge. Okay? So we're achieving lumbo-pelvic neutral, and then we're executing a motion where we're utilizing posterior chain to hip hinge. Okay, and again, Chad is very skilled at performing this motion as well, so he can move on to a more advanced move, which is going to, again, utilize more of the posterior chain on one side. So now we'll do a single leg hip hinge. Again, the whole time maintaining lumbo-pelvic neutral. Again, you can do it on the other side. And again, utilizing posterior chain, hamstrings, glutes, while keeping his lumbo-pelvic alignment in a neutral position. Thanks for taking the time to check out our video articles. We hope it was helpful for you. Just remember that these are sweeping generalizations of 4 key deficiencies that we see in our athlete population. If you have any specific questions or comments, please don't hesitate to contact us. You can email us at performance@paradigmdoc.com. You can check out our website, www.paradigmdoc.com, or you can check us out on our Facebook page. Just want to give a special thanks to Chad for his help today. If you want more information on Chad and his training, you can check out their website at jtsstrength.com or visit their Facebook page. Thanks.